Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to add beautiful, animated, and responsive icons to your website using Font Awesome, all with just HTML and a touch of CSS. Let's start by setting up a simple HTML structure. Now, let's display some awesome icons on our page. We're using the calculator icon from Font Awesome. Notice how the classes fa and fa calculator define which icon shows up. But first, we need to include the Font Awesome CDN link in the head section of our HTML. This line gives us access to hundreds of icons instantly. Want your icons to animate? Font Awesome offers cool effects like spin, flip, and beat. You can even customize their colors using inline styles or CSS. You can now make your design more interactive and modern, all with just a few lines of code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.